Scott Bauer of Trading Advantage joins us on this Friday morning for Chart Talk. Good to see you, Scott.
Good to be here, Angie.
LULU shares rallied 13% yesterday. Should investors get excited about this stock, or is that a stretch?
You know, obviously, if you were in it before the earnings release yesterday morning, it was a great move. In fact, the open interest in the options and the call options from the 40 strike all the way through the 45 strike on the upside was unbelievable. So obviously it was a great move. But you know, I'm not so sure here. If you look at what they reported last earnings back in June, you know, they really lowered their guidance for the rest of the year. And this earnings, they upped their guidance by 1 cent. So, you know, I'm not so sure in the long run that the net of that is great, but obviously the short run move was pretty dramatic.
Scott, is much of the rally in LULU because of the shorts in this stock?
Oh yeah, no question about it, Angie. I mean, the short interest in LULU is so high that when this news came out and the stock really started ratcheting, a lot of these people on the short side really had a scramble, and that I think was really part of what was driving the stock up as well.
Would you take a position in Lululemon?
I'm on the sidelines right here. I'm really concerned about the lowered guidance from 3 months ago, and then they just upped it by a penny now. That really concerns me.
What stock do you like? What are you eyeing?
You know, I really still like Apple, and I don't want to beat a dead horse, and I'm sure you've had, you know, so many people talk about it, but typically after you see the big Apple announcements, you know, it's more of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing. And I believe the statistics are, you know, in the week or two following the announcement, you see typically a, you know, 3% drop or so in the stock, and then it, you know, goes up from there. I really like Apple. I love what they did, not just with the phone and obviously not with the watch, but the mobile payment area. I think there is, at least through the rest of the year, perhaps a good 10 to 12% upside in Apple left.
I'm really surprised that you picked Apple. Thanks for coming on and have a good weekend.
You too, Angie.